Hello everyone, I am your English teacher Mr. Devesh Singh. Students, this is a new chapter from your textbook, a chapter that shows a beautiful constitution, beautiful governance of a country. The chapter, a train station for a student. The chapter's heading is not an ordinary heading. You can imagine train station for a student. It is looking very full of imagination that a train stop at a station for a single student. How nice to hear it, and how beautiful the governance of that particular country. एक देश में जहाँ इस तरह के स्टूडेंट्स को एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ट्रेन एक स्टेशन पे रोकने की व्यवस्था की जाती है, यह सुनना अपने आप में कितना अच्छा लगता है कि डेफिनेटली वो कंट्री, उस कंट्री का जो गवर्नेंस सिस्टम है वो वास्तव में कितना appreciable है. Okay, you see a train station in rural Japan was kept open for a whole year for a single student. Did want to find out more about it. This is the story about a student, and the story takes place in Japan. The place is situated in a rural area where is a station, and the station operates service. The train company operates service only for a students, for a school students. We have to read the chapter to find out more about this. Here are 3 newspapers reports about the same event. In what way are they similar, and in what way are they different? Here in this chapter, students, the newspaper reports about the same event has been mentioned, and 3 newspapers has reported here about this event. We have to read this chapter to see about the events that the reports are similar or different. Morning news. This is the report of morning news. Train runs for just one student. Let's see. Shirataki Station. Shirataki Station. This is the name of the station. Shirataki Station. You see here, a high school girl is on her way to school. She waits at the Shirataki Station. The station is on the island of Hokkaido in northern Japan. This is the story about a high school girl, the girl who is on her way to school, and her station name is Shirataki Station, that is on the island of Hokkaido in the northern Japan. The train stops here to pick her up in the morning, and it drops her back at the same place after school is over. Students, how beautiful to hear it that every day the train stops at that particular station only to take this, only to pick this girl, and every day after schooling this train drops the little girl at the same place. There are no other passenger boarding the train, and from the station there was no other passenger. Means this little girl was alone who joined this train, and very often there are no other passengers on the train, and there was no passengers on the train from that particular place. This one student depends on the train for transport to continue her schooling, and her parents requested the company to keep the station open for their child. Parents also requested the company that that you maintain this system, this offer for their child continuously, and the train company also accepted their request, and the transport facility was continuing for her schooling at regular time. And the company that operates the line kept it open especially for this one single student. और ये सुनने में काफ़ी एक स्ट्रेंज लगता है स्टूडेंट्स की, जो कंपनी थी वो एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इस सर्विस को ऑपरेट करती थी, स्पेशली उसी पर्टिकुलर स्टूडेंट के लिए, उसी गर्ल्स के लिए ये ऐसी सर्विस को ऑपरेट करती थी. अ चाइनीज टीवी स्टेशन ब्रॉडकास्ट द न्यूज़ went viral on the internet. This was definitely a very big, very inspiring news. So a Chinese TV station broadcasted this news, and this news was viral. Viral means it was instantly shared all over the internet. For some years now, the number of travelers using a station like Q Select in remote areas has fallen dramatically, and other services are also hardly used. For some years now, number of travelers started to use stations like this island station, and the area was also dramatically fallen. The other service also was used hardly there. However, the Hokkaido railway station, the railway company has decided to keep operating this station until March, when the school year ends and this student will complete her school. But this was very good news for the people of that station, that after end of the schooling in the month of March, the company operated these facilities for the particular station for other people when the school was closed. People are applauding the Japanese railway company for their gestures and the government for making education a priority. At that time, everyone was applauding, appreciating to this railway company for its great job, great work. And also people were appreciating the government, that government is also taking very heavy step to accept education as a priority. This is the meaning of good governance, and definitely एक good governance की यही अच्छी meaning होती है. Every citizen matters, every citizen matters, and every citizen matter. For a good government, every citizen matters. That government make a beautiful plans, government took beautiful step for the citizens. No child is left behind. This is also the motto of the government at that time. No child is left behind. A social media user posted on a popular site, and this was a topic, the heading that was posted on a popular site on a social media. Others points out that the declining train services of rural Japan points to a major crisis facing the country. जबकि वहीं पे सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ और लोगों ने अपनी जो पोस्ट किया उसमें उन्होंने ये दिखाया कि इस तरह से अगर रूरल एरिया में जापान अगर सर्विस को देता चलेगा तो बहुत ही जल्द देश को क्राइसिस का सामना करना पड़ेगा, धन के संकट का, अभाव का सामना करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे कुछ लोगों ने वहाँ पे उसे एक बेहतर रिस्पांस बताया कि नो चाइल्ड इज़ लेफ्ट बिहाइंड का स्लोगन दे करके गवर्नमेंट की अच्छी पहल बताया, और कुछ लोगों ने इसे गवर्नमेंट का एक बैड स्टेप बताया जिससे कि गवर्नमेंट क्राइसिस में आ जाती है। और डिक्लिनिंग पॉपुलेशन with the threat of losing a third of the people within the next few decades, Japan faces several major economic problems. And people also begin to think that it will be declining for the population, and it was also a threat for the third of the people, because they thought that in the coming 2 decades, if government of Japan will operate such type of service, will provide such type of service, definitely the government will be face very major economic problem. So different type of newspaper begin to publish different type of views in their newspaper, and it was definitely the second passage definitely shows the very wrong views of those newspaper who doesn't appreciate to the good governance of the government, while they are trying to make a trying to make fault, trying to make a bad criticism about the government of the Japan. So here we can say that the first passage here is shows the good governance of the country, and government should be make it continue to do better response for the coming generation for their proper education. That's okay. This is the first page of this chapter.